Today I'm going to be trying out another De-Tuned P-SB7 session. So before, I had a previous person who commented below on my previous video to ask who Anna is, so I'm going to do that very thing right now. I'm actually going to try out two boxes. I'm going to try out the De-Tuned box, and then right after I'll try out either the 469 or the 12587. I might just do this one though, but we're going to try that out right now. I'm going to try to figure out who Anna is. Alright, there we go. Hello? Is there any spirits here today? Eddie? Is what? Steve? Anna, are you here with me?
Threat.
Alright, you guys heard that voice? I have the ovulus on, and it's a threat. Alright, hello, Anne, are you here with me today? Is Anna... Oh, I heard a female voice. Maybe that's what threat is. Is Anna a threat to me? Heard Tim again. Hello? May I hear your voice, please? Say hello. Let's say God damn it. It's crazy because the same EVP I got in the other room the other time in my previous session. Yes? Yes, hello, I'm here. I think you said my name. I know you guys like to say my name a lot. Obviously, probably because you're trying to get my attention. How many of you are here? Two? I heard two before. Thank you so much. So there's two spirits here. Are you both different genders?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
See.
See?
Right.
Right? And can you please come through and tell me who you are? Did you die here?
In. Oh.
I wonder if Anne, like, may be a spirit guide, because she just comes and goes. I don't really hear a lot from Anne, and I don't really know about her much. Is Anne my spirit guide? Anne, yes. Is she my spirit guide? Is Anne my spirit guide? Yes or no? Alright, then I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to switch over to the 12469. Who is here with me today? What's your name?
Andrew.
Say Andrew. And I said threat again. Well, who is a threat here? Alright, I got the PSB7 right here. Alright, spirits. If there's any spirits out here with me, please come and communicate with me. Do not be afraid. I'm not here to harm you. I'm just here to communicate with you, okay? Building. Is there any spirits out here? Hi, who's this? Did I just hear a lady speak to me in my ear? The lady just speak to me? What? Are you near me right now? Hello, who's this? Who's that? Hello, any spirits out here? Here? Are there any spirits out here? Yeah? Is there many spirits out here? Are you walking over here? I just heard footsteps right here. Are you walking? Yeah? You want to come up behind me and tell me something in my ear? Yeah? You behind me? I just heard something say I'm behind you. Are you behind me? Can you show yourself behind me? Say something's wrong? Would you say you can't be here? Hello, any spirits here? It's loud. Say it's loud. I'm right here. Come speak to me. Can you put your face right here? You're gonna fight me? I just heard you. Oh, for land. I might be like, yeah. Did you guys hear that? That was insane. It said, I'm gonna fight you for land. Maybe it's like Native Americans. Is there any Native Americans here? What was that? Are there any Native Americans here? Alright, I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna walk that way now, okay? Alright, goodbye.